This is a Grizzly 10 by 18 swiveling head horizontal bandsaw. It's 2 horsepower, has a 1-inch blade. It's 220 volt single phase. Besides the fact that the head swivels, the vise also moves in and out to keep your part supported. Going to show it to you right now. I have the cover off because there's no blade in there. This way you can see it working. Blade slowing down. Going ahead, speeding it up. Going slow. At the bottom, there's a shut off, so it'll turn itself off. This controls the head up. This is for the swivel. Loosen this and the vise comes in. This is our 10 by 18 Grizzly horizontal bandsaw. Thank you for watching.